With its high-quality steel tines, the fusion roll-powered cultivator is built to last. It easily penetrates and breaks up soil, allowing air, water, and nutrients to reach plant roots for healthy growth. The cultivator is lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for those with limited mobility or strength. And because it attaches to your cordless drill, there's no need to invest in a separate power tool. Simply attach the cultivator to your drill and you're ready to go. Whether you're planting a new garden or maintaining an existing one, the fusion roll-powered cultivator is the perfect tool for the job. The Dura-Gold Pro Series Adjustable Radius Flex Longboard Hand Sanding File Block is a versatile and unique tool for achieving a professional finish in any sanding or polishing project. Its two-way design system allows it to be used with both hook and loop and PS longboard sandpaper sheets or rolls. It can also be set and held at concave or convex shapes, maintaining the same contour profile while sanding. The ergonomic design with an attachable PS conversion adapter pad makes it easy to grip and control. It's ideal for use in auto body, paint shops, woodworking, metalworking shops, and more. Achieve a perfect finish every time with the Dura-Gold Pro Series Adjustable Radius Flex Longboard Hand Sanding File Block. The Daytona Rare Earth Magnet Stud Finder is a compact and versatile tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It features a powerful N45 grade neodymium magnet that can locate magnetic materials behind walls and can be adjusted for various applications. The stud finder is easy to handle and ideal for tight spaces. Its small size makes it a handy addition to any toolbox, and it can be used as a metal holding device or to pick up metal pots. Trust the Daytona Rare Earth Magnet Stud Finder for efficient and accurate results on any project. The Simco Model 1250 is a lightweight and portable battery-powered dispensing gun, designed for use in the aerospace and electronics industries. Its 12 volts lithium-ion batteries can dispense between 50 to 66-ounce Semco cartridges on a single charge. It features variable dispensing speed control, ensuring consistent and precise dispensing. The unit comes with a 2.5 ounces threaded plastic retainer and a 6 ounces threaded cartridge. It is also compatible with Semco cartridges or Simco packages, offering users a range of material options. The Simco Model 1250 is an efficient dispensing solution that provides the convenience of a battery-powered gun without the need for an air hose. The ESSVE Hidden Decking System is a professional solution for concealed decking installation, providing a sleek and seamless finish with no visible screws or fixings. Its installation tool enables quick and easy installation with minimal effort, eliminating the need for pre-drilling and countersinking. This system also offers superior strength and stability, ensuring a secure and durable decking installation. Furthermore, it allows for proper ventilation and drainage, optimizing the longevity of your terrace. The ToughBuilt GelFit Fanatic knee pads provide exceptional comfort and stability for professionals who kneel for extended periods. The thigh support ensures stability, while the lower platform improves blood flow and alleviates pressure on the ankles. The ergonomic gel and foam design evenly distributes pressure for maximum comfort. Made with heavy-duty materials, including durable rubber caps and nylon fabric, these pads offer long-lasting protection. The GelFit Fanatic knee pads enable easy side-to-side movement, making them ideal for any project. These pads set a new standard for all-day kneeling comfort and are perfect for professionals who require the best knee protection. Daytona Arm Jacks are a reliable and sturdy tool for installers, offering a lifting capacity of 130 kilograms and a lifting height of 150 millimeters squared. Made from high-quality stainless steel and aluminum, these arm jacks are built to last. The longer and wider support frame and high-strength spring make them practical for a variety of applications. The comfortable grip handle and hexagonal socket screws add to their ease of use and durability. With its accurate positioning and manual positioning tool, the Daytona Arm Jacks are an excellent choice for any installer seeking a reliable and functional tool. Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder. The Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder with laser mark is a pocket-sized tool that quickly and accurately detects wood and metal studs. Featuring 2 powerful magnets and a laser mark trademark laser line, it makes it easy to locate studs without damaging walls. The high-vis bubble level ensures perfect leveling, while the precision marking notches simplify anchoring. The tool is easy to use, and its compact size makes it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Tolsen chain clamp locking pliers are a durable and versatile tool that can be used by professionals and DIYers. With an 18 chain and easy lock and release action, they provide a secure grip on materials. The pliers are crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring that they are rust-resistant and long-lasting. The ergonomic handle design reduces hand fatigue, making them comfortable to use even for extended periods. Whether you're a carpenter, mechanic, or DIYer, these pliers are a reliable tool that can help you get the job done. The Swiss Rig Bresson is a multifunctional device designed to overcome limitations of sound and video recording when using iPhones. Wired Magazine dubbed it the Swiss Army knife for creators due to its innovative design and features. The device offers a comprehensive solution to ergonomic limitations, quality sound recording, physical camera controls, and powerful batteries. The Bresson hand grip and Dynamo 60 microphone were designed by a team of experts to ensure it is both beautiful and sophisticated. With the Swiss Rig Bresson, creators can now produce professional-grade content using just their iPhones. The Klein Tool's wide-range transmission grip is a durable and versatile tool used for pulling ACSR, AAC, and bare copper cables. Its cable holding range is 0.68 inches to 1.42 inches, and it has fine swordtooth jaw geometry that ensures a secure grip during pulling. The grip is spring-loaded to hold the initial position, and the large handle opening accommodates a variety of hooks on hoists, winches, and tackle blocks. With a maximum safe load of 12,000 pounds and a patent-pending design, this grip is a reliable and effective choice for any cable pulling job. Made in the USA with high-quality materials, it's built to last. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.